Welcome to a bright end unit in Beach City Bungalows, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse located at 3538 Torrance Boulevard, Unit 152. Come, have a look with me. Reach your front door through a completely enclosed private patio. Wood laminate floors in living room and dining room, complementing a two-way fireplace. With the glass sliding door off of living room, and a cozy sitting or dining area, and an open kitchen with a breakfast nook and a kitchen island with granite countertop. Convenient downstairs powder room with a sink and a toilet for guests. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Primary suite boasts open windows, and an attached bathroom with dual sinks, walk-in closet, and a shower and tub. Hallway bathroom with a window and also a shower and tub. 2 additional bedrooms with large open windows that allows ambient lights. Convenient inside laundry room that offers hookup for gas dryer and storage. Garage is a 3-car garage that is extra deep on one side for storage and your 3rd car. Complex offers a community swimming pool and a spa area. If you'd like more information or view this property in person, feel free to reach out. My information is linked below. Thank you.